Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to verify card for Apple Pay without calling. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your Apple Wallet mobile application and then you just have to tap on this plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be landed on this add to wallet page where you are going to see a bunch of different options that you can add to your Apple Wallet. Now as you want to link our debit or credit card, you need to choose the debit or credit card option. Afterwards, you will be asked to choose a bank. Now, there are some banks that require you to call them before adding their debit or credit card to Apple Pay, but there are some banks that doesn't require you any calling as they have different methods of verification. Like you need to go to their website and you just have to verify your identity on their application, or they have some other methods of verification than calling. So you need to basically choose those type of banks that doesn't require you calling. For example, you can create your account on Cash App and you can add your Cash App cash card with Apple Pay very easily. So as of right now, this is the only workaround for you to verify your card for Apple Pay without calling. Simply choose the bank that doesn't require you to calling. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.